Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing iconic animated couples for the past month or so, and recently we've swerved into a few couples from Disney's classics from the past 30 years, including Aladdin and Jasmine, and last week Belle and the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. But today I thought we'd take it up a notch and draw characters from one of the Disney Pixar collaborations, Toy Story 4. I'm speaking, of course, of Woody and the lovely Bo Peep. Yes, it's another challenging style and pose, in part due to the fact that the characters are rendered in 3D using CGI, whereas we're just drawing on an old-fashioned flat 2D piece of paper. But then I wouldn't have it any other way. Because in my lessons, I focus on learning how to draw the form, proportions, and pose. And just a reminder, everything I draw in my videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the process I use works, and it will work for you too. Okay? So let's draw. We're going to draw Woody and Bo Peep step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. So let's start with Woody. In our pose, Woody, with his rather big toy head, is about 3.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall you draw the oval shape for his head, his entire body is about 3.5 of those stacked up. Woody's proportions are long and lanky. He's got that simple oval torso, kind of weird stuffed toy legs and arms, and slightly oversized hands and boots. Now, Bo Peep is very different. She has a much more diminutive head, and in her upright pose, she's about 6 heads tall. So however tall you draw her head, her entire body is 6 of those. Anyways, what do you say we lay out our roadmap for today's pose of Woody and Bo Peep? So there's our roadmap of Woody and Bo Peep. Before we move on to step 2, I want to break both characters down using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. This is where we use guidelines to place the eyes, nose, mouth, and facial features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position Woody and Bo Peep's eyes, noses, mouths, bodies, and other features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for Woody and Bo Peep. Alright, so they're the roughed out features for Woody and Bo Peep. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Woody and Ms. Peep. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now would be the time to take a moment and look at your drawing while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before you commit to those final lines. But even as you begin drawing those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the final details for Woody and Bo Peep. And that's how you do it. There you have it. One of the most beloved modern animated characters, Woody, and the love of his life, Bo Peep, from Toy Story 4. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Woody or Bo Peep before, let alone both of them together, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. CGI characters can be tricky to translate into 2D, but that's what it's all about, challenging yourself. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our characters during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula for drawing Woody and Bo Peep. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Woody and Bo. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.